This video focuses on the creation of visibility rules. The purpose of the Visibility Settings panel is to provide you with greater flexibility and specificity in creating views. Use the rules in the Visibility Settings panel to change visibility of objects in the view based on user-defined properties that are not available in the model tree. Rules can be added and edited for every model in the project. Let's start by opening the steel view we have been working with in this section. Click on the Coby Office sample project. Navigate to the steel view and open the visibility settings located at the bottom of the model tree panel. Click on Add a Rule to get started. There are 4 properties that you need to define to successfully create a rule. The first is choosing the model. Next is deciding whether you'd like to create a rule based on showing objects or hiding objects. Then choose the property that you'd like to define the rule by. And finally, add a value to that property. In the example of our steel view, let's narrow in our dataset to reflect only the objects which contain steel and metal. We're going to show only the objects that have the property structural material, and that have a value that contain metal or steel. Then choose Update. Now our data set reflects only those objects that contain the metal or steel value in the structural material property. We can further constrain this data set by clicking Add Constraint. Let's take a look at those objects with the property level on level 2 and click Update. Now our data set reflects only those objects on level 2 that have steel and metal as their structural material property. Let's further narrow in on those objects with a length property of 10 meters or more and choose Update. Now we have very precisely defined a data set that we were looking for. Rules can be modified and deleted at any time. Simply click on the X to delete the constraints. Further, you can delete a rule by clicking on the final X and clicking Update. Be sure to review Section 10 for more about visibility rules and their interaction with the model tree.